Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Yogesh, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to use these images to make this image using Photoshop. So stay tuned till the end of this video, and if you are new on my channel, then do subscribe. Come on guys, I need it. And without any further ado, let's get started. Now firstly, I'm using this image for the ground and applying layer mask on it to remove the sky. Then I thought this image would be the best for the sky because it looked attractive. Now placing elephant in the middle, and now it's time to apply levels to the every single image for the adjusting of exposure. Now to make elephant match with the background, applying color balance to it. Yeah, it's looking nice. Now it's time for shadows. This soft brush, now I'm loving it. Okay, now shadows done, so now it's time to introduce a very important part of the process. The man, because he is going to do something with these elephants. I don't know what, but he is. Okay, jokes over. Now with the help of soft brush, I'll add some highlights. Then here comes his weapon, ancient sword. And it should be with him. So, with the help of the soft brush again, I'm adding shadows so that it will look like he is carrying the sword with him. OMG Yogesh, I'm loving it. Okay, now using solid color, I'm adding some blue to the background, and I hope till now you guys have definitely hit the like button, and if not, then do it right now. Guys, I need it. Now I think I should give him some powers, right? So with the help of lightning brush, I'm clicking 2 times. One click like this, and second click like this. Still something is missing. Maybe I should create some friends of this elephant. Now adding one elephant in the left, making it horizontally inverted so that they don't look like identically same. Now copying the left elephant and pasting it on the right side of the main elephant. As this elephant is on the right side, it should be a bit more darker. Now applying puppet warp on it to change the shape of it. Still something is remaining. Maybe I should blur the background a little. And look how amazing it's looking. Okay, now I guess I have done everything, so now it's time for applying camera raw filter on it. So enjoy the music. Look guys, what I have made. If you like this artwork, then do some comments on it. I will be very happy to read. And if you guys enjoy this video, then make sure you hit the red subscribe button because it is very important for me. Also hit the bell to stay notified about my future videos. So do it right now, guys. Come on. Also, you guys can follow me on Instagram where I post all my artworks and also the ones for which I don't make videos. So check it out right now. Link is in the description. And that's it for today. Let's meet again in the next upcoming video. Till then, stay safe. Bye.